a road trip. Look at our transportation for the day. 12 seats. Where are we going? Do you know where we're going?
We'll find out.
We'll find out. Ish, this light is so nice. Wait, give us a little pose, please. Is that you? Is that okay? Glasses are coming off, ladies. Can you see that? Where are you taking us?
Rotorua.
Rotorua. And what's special about Rotorua? I heard that it smells. Yeah.
It stinks.
Oh my god. Is that because of the volcanic activity?
Yes, a lot of ammonia, volcanic activity. So there'll be some. What do they call them? There's hot pools.
Yeah. Oh, can we go in?
Yeah.
But can we dip our feet?
No.
Oh, you actually have to go in some
There's some areas where you can actually go in.
Hey, yo.
We out here.
Already, yeah? Road tripping. Gang, gang, gang. Gucci. What do you mean don't be old?
Just got to Hamilton Gardens. We're taking a bit of a halfway break. Everyone's super tired. It's actually a 3-hour drive, so this is like an hour and a half into the journey. But look how pretty that is. So pretty. Guru.
Like 3
a.m.
Yeah, 3 p.m.
Okay, so people
Live it is.
If you're on Talani's, okay, no one's gonna see this actually.
Yeah.
Because this isn't live, so Talani's going live. Yeah, it's actually quite pretty. Are you live?
Not yet.
So he's live. I'm doing YouTube. We like talking to cameras as a family, clearly.
Really? Oh my days.
They're like, oh, this is pretty.
Days.
Have a look at this, y'all.
Oh.
How pretty is that?
The Wi-Fi got worse, yeah?
Down we went.
Sorry?
The Wi-Fi was getting worse. We'll have to switch Wi-Fi.
There's almost like free Wi-Fi in a lot of places. You can connect to like different restaurants, train stations. Tootsie's just looking at me like I'm crazy. Tootsie, why are you judging me?
There's a lot more to see.
Listen, the only reason that I'm doing this is because Lulu's phone is in here.
We're waiting to get into the Japanese garden. It's quite busy and popular, as you can see. Where are you from? Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe? Oh, great. You want to go to Tanzania? Okay, have a great time. Bye-bye.
Carry your bag.
Lady just came up to us and she's like, where are you from? And I'm like, Zimbabwe. And then she's like, I want to go to Tanzania.
Because that's relevant, so
I mean,
it goes together.
okay. Can we just... Yo, I could live here. That could be my house. I wake up, go feed the fish, water the plants. But no, I live in England and it's snowing. Destination Rotorua. Terrible.
What our mother gets, we also get.
It's only been 4 days. Yep. Where did you think we were going?
I'm trying to say all this so they can come to
Where did you think
Canada.
we were going?
Come to Canada. We have this too.
Where else would we be going?
The cable cars.
We're going all the way up there. Take a picture, please. Don't say that. And then, oh no.
I'm where? Selfie.
Another one.
Why does it sound like DJ Khaled's?
So I'm about to go on this giant swing that goes comes up here and then it swings off the cliff. Pray for me. Oh my days, Tulani. Woo! My eyes are gonna be closed, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Let's get it!
Woo! Oh my days! Oh my days! You have to pull it. I actually can't pull it.
Okay. So when do I pull it?
Huh?
Anytime now.
Wait, let me hold on properly. Wait, hold on.
Wait. Ready?
Yeah.
How?
Just pull it.
Oh my days! It's a nice view! Don't play! Don't play! Oh, they need to stop playing!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, continue doing that when you're up there. Do that when you're falling.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Oh man, this is my height.
Oh, I'm closing my eyes, I can't. No, this is really high. Oh my gosh. Oh.
This is high. This is so high.
Yes, it is. I can't see.
This is so high.
This is really high. I don't know if you can see my
Oh my
hands.
god.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, now go. Oh my gosh, okay. The Luge team, we've got Tulani in the green, the orange, yes, Chido in the green, and the newly Miss Shawe in the orange. Wait, we're waiting for Tootsie.
Your mom is in.
And we have Tootsie in the blue, yes, Mr. Shawe himself.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with
Let's
it?
go. Currently sat at the airport. My time in New Zealand's come to an end. I'm so upset. I feel like 10 days was definitely not long enough, but you know what, it's an excuse for me to come back. So yeah, I'll be back. But yeah, New Zealand, it's been surreal. So surreal, but I need to get back to England and to the snow. I'm not looking forward to it.
You can't wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.